Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video you can see this is an actual $500 car. What is it? 97 Corolla. We have installed this. Probably will have a little bit footage. Ikke bare her. Og en suksess. Ok. Oi. Gjerne det går an å få de inn etterpå. And yeah, I don't know what more to say. Because you can see it hasn't
delicious color.
Yeah, 186,000 and going strong.
And almost no rust.
Yeah, that's crazy clean. So yeah, we have had this for a little while now. We're really happy. So this is my new daily driver. So this is a really nice driver car. Use not so much on the mile. As you probably can see, we installed this trailer hitch right here. So we will maybe cut this footage.
So
we'll just take off these three there and three there.
vi må jo se om at han Nei, nå og kan sitte borti noe.
Some footage if we have some, and then me and my brother installed this. Even did the electric, so this is really nice. It can have 1 ton on the trailer, so we are really happy with this setup right here. And hopefully it's
Se på, vi skal ha suspension i ovnen.
The suspension is quite good, so yeah.
Old car, then it's always this.
Er det mulig? Wow. Corolla, low gear. Oh what? So easy.